Ever wondered if the delicious food from Central Asia is the same as what you find in the Middle East? It's a great question. While they share some amazing history, thanks to the Silk Road, their cuisines are wonderfully distinct, each telling a unique story through flavor. Let's dive in and explore what makes them so special. First up, let's talk about the heart of many meals: bread and grains. In the Middle East, you'll find fluffy pita bread, perfect for dipping into creamy hummus or baba ganoush. Rice is often served as a side, light and fragrant, but travel to Central Asia, and bread becomes a centerpiece. Think of tandoor bek naan, often round and beautifully stamped, a staple with every meal. And when it comes to rice, it's the star of the show in dishes like plov, a hearty pilaf cooked with meat and vegetables, often considered the national dish in countries like Uzbekistan. Now for the proteins. Middle Eastern cuisine is famous for its grilled meats. Shawarma, with its thinly sliced meat wrapped in pita, and kebabs, featuring marinated chunks of lamb or chicken, are global superstars. The flavors are often bold, using spices like cumin, coriander, and also Central Asian cuisine also loves its meat, but it's often prepared differently. You'll find more stews, dumplings like manti, and hearty soups. Lamb is king here too, but the seasoning is generally milder, focusing on the natural flavor of the meat, often complemented by onions and simple herbs. What about spices and flavors? Middle Eastern cooking is a vibrant tapestry of spices. Sumac adds a tangy Lemont kick. Za'atar brings an earthy, herbal note, and pomegranate molasses offers a sweet and sour punch. It's all about creating complex layers of flavor. In Central Asia, the spice profile is more subtle. You'll find black pepper, cumin, and coriander. But the real flavor heroes are often fresh ingredients like dill, parsley, and cilantro, along with the sweetness of carrots and the richness of lamb fat. It's a cuisine that celebrates simplicity and the quality of its core ingredients. And we can't forget the dairy. In the Middle East, yogurt is everywhere in sauces, dips like tzatziki, and refreshing drinks like ayran. Cheeses like feta and halloumi are also incredibly popular. Central Asia has its own unique dairy traditions. You'll discover fermented milk products like kumis, made from mare's milk, and curd, which are dried, salty yogurt balls. These products were born from a nomadic lifestyle and are still enjoyed today. So, while both regions create absolutely incredible food, they are truly different. The Middle East offers a world of bold spices, grilled meats, and fresh dips. Central Asia invites you to a table filled with hearty pilafs, savory dumplings, and rustic, comforting flavors. Each bite tells a story of its land, its history, and its people. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more food adventures.